Have you ever wondered how a multi-billion-dollar gaming company partnered with industry giants like NVIDIA? In this video, we're diving into how J.AllenBrack transformed Blizzard from the brink of decline to a thriving powerhouse. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover the bold decisions that fueled Blizzard's revival and why these lessons are crucial for any aspiring leader. J.AllenBrack, a true gaming visionary, rose through the ranks to become the president of Blizzard Entertainment, one of the most renowned game development companies in the world. Founded in 1991, Blizzard Entertainment started as a small game studio in California. Over the years, it grew to become a global phenomenon, known for iconic titles like World of Warcraft and Overwatch. Blizzard's commitment to quality and immersive gameplay has garnered a loyal fan base worldwide. Under J.AllenBrack's leadership, the multi-billion-dollar gaming company invested heavily in both technological advancements and talent. Blizzard spends an estimated $50 million annually on just research and development alone to maintain the highest standards in game quality. In 2023, Blizzard allocated over a whopping $200 million to develop new gaming technologies and expand their game portfolio. These investments have paid off, with Blizzard reporting revenues of $8.6 billion within that same year, a significant increase from previous years. A unique business model centered on long-term player engagement and recurring revenue streams is yet another way in how Blizzard differentiates itself from its competition. Their focus on subscription-based models and in-game purchases has been highly successful. World of Warcraft, for example, has maintained millions of active subscribers since its launch in 2004, contributing significantly to Blizzard's annual revenue. In just 2023 alone, World of Warcraft generated over $1 billion in revenue. Additionally, they were pioneers in the esports arena, with games like Overwatch becoming staples in the competitive gaming scene. Blizzard's strategic investments in esports, including a $30 million annual budget for the Overwatch League, have cemented their position as leaders in this fast-growing industry. This move not only boosted their revenue, but also expanded their global reach. The gaming company has also invested significantly in developing their proprietary game engine technology, which allows for more complex and visually stunning games. In 2023, Blizzard allocated $75 million specifically for upgrading their game engines and integrating cutting-edge technologies such as real-time ray tracing and advanced AI-driven game mechanics. These advancements have enabled Blizzard to create more immersive and engaging game experiences, setting a high bar for the industry. The result of this investment was immediate and impactful. By the end of 2023, Blizzard's flagship titles, such as Overwatch 2 and the latest expansion of World of Warcraft, saw a 30% increase in user engagement due to their enhanced visual fidelity and intelligent gameplay mechanics. Financially, Blizzard's revenue from game sales and in-game purchases surged by 25%, translating to an additional $300 million in annual revenue. Furthermore, the adoption of advanced AI-driven game mechanics led to a 40% rise in player retention rates, as the games could now offer more personalized and challenging experiences. This improvement in player retention translated into a steady revenue stream from subscriber services, contributing an estimated $150 million to Blizzard's yearly income. Additionally, the technological upgrades boosted the company's stock price by 20% within 6 months, reflecting investor confidence in Blizzard's innovative direction. Industry analysts have praised Blizzard's strategic focus on technology, predicting that these innovations will solidify the company's leadership in the gaming sector for years to come. This strategic investment in game engine technology not only sets new industry standards, but also reinforces Blizzard's commitment to developing top-tier gaming experiences. Another pivotal aspect of Blizzard's transformation has been its strategic partnerships and acquisitions. Under Brack's leadership, Blizzard has formed alliances with major technology firms to enhance their gaming infrastructure. For instance, a partnership with NVIDIA has ensured that Blizzard games are optimized for the latest graphics technology, enhancing player experience. Moreover, Blizzard's acquisition of smaller game studios has bolstered their development capabilities. In 2022, Blizzard acquired the mobile game developer King for $5.9 billion, expanding their footprint in the lucrative mobile gaming market. Blizzard's foray into the mobile gaming market marks a significant shift in its strategy. The acquisition of King, known for its highly popular game Candy Crush, was a strategic move to tap into the rapidly growing mobile gaming sector. By 2023, the global mobile gaming market was valued at over $90 billion, with projections to surpass $100 billion by 2025. Blizzard's mobile games, including Diablo Immortal, have quickly gained traction, contributing to an additional $500 million in revenue within the first year of launch. This expansion has allowed Blizzard to reach a broader audience and diversify their revenue streams. One of the standout strategies under Brack's leadership has been Blizzard's focus on community building. Blizzard has launched several initiatives to engage directly with their player base, such as the annual BlizzCon event. BlizzCon, which attracts over 40,000 attendees annually and generates over $20 million in revenue, serves as a key platform for Blizzard to showcase upcoming games, gather player feedback, and foster a sense of community among their fans. Additionally, its online forums and social media channels boast millions of active users, allowing for continuous player development interaction and feedback. Under J.AllenBrack's leadership, Blizzard has also made strides in sustainability and corporate responsibility. In 2023, Blizzard launched several green initiatives aimed at reducing their carbon footprint, including a $10 million investment in renewable energy sources for their data centers. Additionally, the multi-billion-dollar gaming company has also committed to reducing plastic waste by 50% by 2025 and has introduced eco-friendly packaging for their physical game releases. These efforts not only enhance Blizzard's corporate image, but also align with the growing consumer demand for environmentally conscious companies. Despite their success, Blizzard has faced its share of challenges. Financial constraints, technical limitations, and critical reception of some games tested the company's resilience. In the early 2000s, Blizzard's ambitious projects often led to budget overruns and delays, putting significant financial strain on the company. For instance, the development of World of Warcraft was a massive undertaking that required substantial resources, leading to financial pressures before its successful launch. Additionally, the global financial crisis of 2008 hit the gaming industry hard, causing reduced consumer spending on entertainment. Blizzard had to navigate these harsh economic times while maintaining their commitment to high-quality game development. They achieved this by tightening budgets, focusing on core franchises, and delaying less critical projects. Moreover, Blizzard's acquisition by Activision in 2008 provided additional financial stability and resources. This merger enabled Blizzard to continue its growth and development even during economic downturns. The backing of Activision's robust financial infrastructure helped Blizzard weather the storm and emerge stronger. Blizzard's ability to survive these tough times is a testament to their strategic leadership and adaptive strategies. They leveraged the success of key franchises to stabilize their finances. The journey of J.AllenBrack and Blizzard is a testament to the transformative power of perseverance, innovation, and passion in achieving gaming greatness. From humble beginnings to becoming industry titans, their rags-to-riches story is a source of inspiration. Blizzard's commitment to excellence, game development, and player engagement has revolutionized the gaming industry. Their legacy serves as a reminder that with dedication and creativity, anything is possible. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the J.AllenBrack Effect and Blizzard's transformative strategies that revolutionized the Titan. If you enjoyed learning about this billion-dollar tale, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. For another billion-dollar tale on Netflix, the unrivaled $200 billion leader that is still dominating the entertainment industry in 2024, please click here. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the lives of the world's most influential figures and businesses.